You can always use pivot table and the Viz tab to summarize or aggregate values quickly, but sometimes you might want to aggregate the underlying data itself by adding data wrangling steps for greater flexibility. In such case, go to Table View and select Summarize and select one of the aggregate functions. For example, let's select mean or average to get the average flight delay time. You can add another aggregation column by clicking on plus button. This time, let's select median and set the column name. Now, these calculations were done against all the rows in this data frame, but you might want to calculate them for each group, such as airline carrier. In such case, go back to the previous step at the right-hand side and select Group By from Carrier Columns column header menu. And by going back to the Summarize step, now you will see those aggregation calculations are done automatically for each group. And if we like, we can add more columns to grouping. For example, we can add state column to group, then go back to the Summarize step. And again, you will see those aggregation calculations are done automatically, but this time they are for each carrier and state combination. That's the basics of how you can summarize data in Exploratory. But there's one more thing. Summarize operation removes one grouping level from the lowest. So in this example, after the summarize operation, its group level setting is now only at carrier level. This means if we do another separate summarize operation as a new step, it would aggregate values at the level of carrier this time and remove that group setting. Now, instead of summarizing, we can work with this grouped data frame. For example, let's say we want to answer the question like, what is the percentage of American airline flights that left California in this time period? To answer this, we can simply calculate the total for each carrier first by adding mutate step and using some function. Now the total flight numbers are calculated and repeated for each carrier. Then we can add another calculation. Simply divide the count by the total. This is actually called window calculation, which is basically the calculations done for each row but against the parent group. And there are actually some shortcut menu for a set of the common window calculation types. For example, if you want to know the ranking for each state based on the average departure delay time within each carrier, then select Rank and Mean Rank from the column header menu. By the way, you can do such window calculation as a part of the charts by using the embedded window calculation feature. But again, by transforming the underlying data itself would give you much more flexibility.